Okay, hello everyone. This is Fonson Ethan, and we are testing this. How will you get? How will I teach you to? This one is I mean guys. What's that? We are all. I'm going to show you how I'm buying that from. This one is I don't know. Okay. This one is for this two is for Divisoria. This one is small is for Divisoria, and this one is for Divisoria. It's ready. It's two, but I keep this in the unboxing. Alright, I just unboxed this, guys. Yes. Also with this one, I just unboxed this with this one. Okay, and also this one is for Bayanan. My papa buy this from Bayanan, guys. Look, this one is for Bayanan. Alright, and this one is for my phone. Before we start first, mama, everyone, don't tell the password. And also this one is because I didn't even have that one right there. As you can see right there, there is the color black. It's the same as of this. It's the same, right? Okay, it's tested because I don't have that one. And so I'm going to show you with this one. Alright, so let's start. Let's start here. Okay, so start with the small Rubik's Cube. And this one is a tiny Rubik's Cube. And as you can see, it's like look at this. It's like better than this. Oops. Wait guys, first. Okay, wait here. This one it looks like better than the big one. Than the normal, I mean. Look at this. It's like the same. And also this one, it's very hard to turn this just because it's but this one is super easy. You can turn fast, but it's slow because it cannot be. It's like this one. What I'm turning this because it was too slowly, and this one is fast. Okay, you can turn like this, as you can see, or you can do sometimes in there and do like this. How will you solve the Rubik's Cube? Okay, wait, ano naman na kasi to? Yeah, I seen this from the tutorial, guys. I've seen this. Okay. Ano naman to? Ano naman to, guys? Ito ba yan? Tigas ah. Yan. This one is like a country. But it's different. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Tigas naman. So ba yan? Ano ba naman kasi to? This one is very hard, guys, because I just this one. Ow! Come on. This one is very hard to solve this Rubik's Cube because it was small or what. Alright, so you can solve this right now, or you can go in the app. You can use the okay, wait, what is that? This app you can choose. It says Rubik's Cube by using this tiny Rubik's Cube, and then you copy what I learned. This one, okay, this one. You can use this by downloading this one Rubik's Cube solver. Okay, alright. Okay, next. Kalabalik tayo. Alright, next we're done with the tiny Rubik's Cube. And this one, big Rubik's Cube, but it's original Rubik's Cube. It's like this for everyone. This one is like for everyone who got this one. I seen this from the YouTube Shorts video. Yeah, this one is faster. Faster Rubik's Cube, guys. Look. Can turn like this. Ooh. I show you. Oh, see, it's faster. Yeah, see? Or you can do like this. It's faster. But it's too slowly. Yeah, this one is faster. This one was the most popular, guys. This one is the most popular. And look at this. I've seen this. Look at this. Watch this, guys. See? See? You excited what I'm doing that? Alright. Alright, go back to normal. Once again, guys, watch this. See, it's faster. See, where do I go back? Ay, sorry guys, that was the notification. Oh no, how will I go back? Wait guys, I don't know how will I go back this. Hala, how will I go back? We're stuck. Okay guys, I just wait you there. Okay guys, it's solved. Alright, I'm so close. I solved by cheer. I just want to be sure like this. Watch this guys. I'll show you. See? That's how it if you turn like spinning like this, you look, watch this is my finger. And then you do like this. See? Or you can do like countries, like in the tiny Rubik's Cube. For example, I just want to solve a Japan flag, the Rubik's Cube. I teach you how you solve the tiny Rubik's Cube of Japan flag of Rubik's Cube. Like, okay. This one is Japan. Oh, as you can see the camera. Oops. And this one is a Japan, you can see. You can see right there. Alright. Okay, we go. I have seen another one. Canada. I mean Canada. I'm doing like this. Do like this, Canada. After Japan, Canada. I mean Canada or Canada? Canada. I mean Canada. I don't know. Okay. This one is a Canada, but it's like letter H. Right there. It's Canada flag. After solving a Japan flag, there you have it. Ito naman kasi ito, tigas-tigas naman to. Ito naman. Bilisan mo na. Ay ko naman. Okay. Hala! Oh my gosh. How not again? What's... Okay guys, we'll be right back. Okay, so since it's already solved right now, I'm tired of this. Okay, next. Right there, you can see it. And also this one. See? It's like faster. It's faster. This one is the most popular if you want. Like, you can solve a Japan in any Rubik's Cube if you want. Any 3x3, but no trend, no other trends. And see, this one is a Japan. You can see the Japan right there. Yes, you can see, look at that. It's like circle of Japan. Okay. When you turn a Japan into the Canada, watch this. See, it's Canada. when you turn Canada to Japan, watch this. There's Japan right there. It's like circle in the center, guys. There's a circle in the center, as you can see right there. There's a circle in the center. How is this impossible? There's a circle. Hey, this one looks normal. It's faster. See, I told you. It's faster. It's faster than the... I don't know. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so next. And this one's Bayanan. I buy this one, Bayanan. It's the same as this one right here. Look at that, it's tall and small. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Okay, it's like, look at that, it's like okay, I don't know, you can do like this, but it's very hard. When you see the color is broken, you look at that. The color is broken because do not never scratch the Rubik's cube. Don't ever scratch the Rubik's cube color. I mean, also this blue. What happened to the blue? Also this green. What happened? All of the colors are broken. This one is the slow Rubik's cube. See, it cannot be turned faster. You can make Japan by solving Rubik's cube slowly. See? I told you. You can make... Ala! Patay na! Aircon! Aircon! Wait, teka lang guys. I call Mama first. Okay, so, guys, we're back. I told Mama that aircon is still cold. But never mind. It's very cold. You can make Japan, okay? You make Japan like this. Yeah, because you can hear me like that. Okay, make Japan like this. Okay, Japan. When you turn the Japan into the Canada, you do like this. It's like letter H. When you turn Canada into the Japan, watch this. See? Okay, we'll open like this. Oh, we'll go back to normal. Which one is the fastest of Rubik's cube? This small, or this original, or this wait guys, no. I'm still have more. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, this one is the Rubik's cube. Maybe this one is faster, I think, because I didn't even have that one. Yeah, because of this. Just there's a Rubik's speed. There's a Rubik's speed. Look at that. Okay. That's right, because I don't have that one, because I need to check you, because I think it's not available on the toy store on the Divisoria. Okay, which one is the fastest? This one, this tiny cube. Wait, this tiny cube, this original cubes. This background color white cubes, but there's a sticker. The background of tiny Rubik's cubes, or background black of Rubik's cubes. Which one do you like? This one and this one. This one is the fastest Rubik's cube. This one is the fastest Rubik's cube. And this one is the fastest Rubik's cube too. Alright. Let me show you how I solve this Rubik's cubes. See, it's like faster when you do like this. There you have it. Okay, we can keep right there in the container that it fits, like this one, or any Rubik's cube what you like, the 3x3. Keep it here. Watch this one, guys. I'm gonna show you first so you will not forget. This one. Okay, since there's an instruction right here, as you can see. Look at this. There's the instruction right there. I've seen this in the app. Oh, what is this? Can read this one. Because I buy that from Jibisoy kanina. Wait. Oh, can I close this? It's right here. And then you keep this, and then close it. And then there you have it. Okay, open it, and then I say goodbye to your vlogger. I'm sure what you think. Okay, guys. Once again, guys, I want to show you the fastest Rubik's cubes, so you will not forget again. Because if you're not, no. See, it's like faster. See, it's faster. Okay, and the black one. Alright. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye-bye. Always be sure to subscribe, not unsubscribing to my channels. So be sure we can get so many views and likes. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. See ya.